friends, my name's Christy. I am the creator behind Crafty Christy's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the popcorn container. It can always be used for anything you want, just by adding different paper. But you can see here I've made it into a traditional popcorn looking container. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put together our popcorn box. Now that we've got it all printed how we want it, this is the piece that has the score lines for the side flaps. You'll just fold on all the score lines here. You've got the bottom and another piece there. And then your other half here is just gonna fold on the score line there. And then you also have the bottom pieces here that are going to fold. Okay, and now we can go ahead and start assembling. So I'm just gonna put some glue on this side fold right here. Doesn't need a ton of glue, but you do need enough to make sure it's gonna stick. And then I'm going to lay this one on top of it. And you just want to try to line up those score lines. So do that to kind of press that down. And then you can also fold on that line to get that seam nicely put together. Give that a good crease. That looks good. Okay, and then we can do the same thing with this one. This one's actually going to be a lot easier. We'll just fold that one in. I'm going to put some glue on here. Okay, and then we can just fold this piece over on top of it. And that should just line up nicely. And then you just want to line up the scallops, should be at the same height. And then your score lines should be at the same height. So you might have to bump and nudge things around a little bit. You'll get that score line. Fold that down nicely. And then you can also flatten that out and give it a nice crease this way. Same thing, flip this one over, make sure that one looks nice. And then you just have to worry about the bottom. So we can just fold these in like that, and then this top one is gonna just fold over. And that is really all you have to do. So, you leave it open. I'm gonna put some glue on these tabs here. And you can even put glue along the entire piece, because we have an inner panel that we'll put on the inside that will adhere all of these together. So I can go ahead and put glue on that whole part there and just fold that over. And then I can set it on the table to really press that in. You can stick a ruler down there to press those side flaps. Okay. And then again, I'm going to put glue on this entire part here because it's going to also stick to the inside piece that we're going to add, just to give it a little better of a hold here. And then this one's just gonna fold straight across. You might have to kind of nudge things around a little bit to get it in place. And then you can flip that over. Again, take that ruler to press everything down. And then your inner piece, again, just a nice layer to help seal it all up. I'll just put glue on the entire thing. And then that you can kind of just drop down in there, and it should just lay nice and flat. It is slightly smaller, so it should fit nicely. You shouldn't really have to worry too much, but just press those edges in there. Okay, and then once your box is nice and dry, all you have to do is fill it with some goodies. But there is your lovely little popcorn box.